So everyone did yesterday's assignment.
मूवी दिखने आ रहा था यहाँ पे.
To-do list.
Yes, we did it.
Okay. तो ऐसा कुछ लगा कि लिखने से थोड़ा सा फायदा हुआ है?
ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ नहीं एक्चुअली.
Not done, like to-do list में जो लिखे वो काम ही नहीं हुआ है क्या?
नहीं, आज नहीं हुआ वो.
Okay. अच्छा, मतलब
इसलिए.
okay. In coming time you are supposed to do that one.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes.
आज वीकेंड है, हो सकता है इस वजह से मे बी इवनिंग तक हो जाए. एक्चुअली जो लिखा है अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ वो.
हाँ, तो क्या थोड़ा तो करना भी पड़ेगा ऐसे बैठे बैठे. मतलब you have visualized कि as if the work has been done.
Yeah.
Yes, Pratna.
I'd written this.
I can hear.
I'd written this. The three close person that you have told me to imagine and pay gratitude to for things they have done and changes in your life. But when I was thinking about the person, I could only cry.
That's the emotional outburst. Emotional outburst. जो gratitude है वो वाला exercise किया?
Yes.
One. Okay.
I could write only the two people. Third person, I could not think of to whom to pay to gratitude to. But when I was thinking about them, I could only cry for that,
Yes. So now you have filled that account also. मुझे लग रहा है it was lacking in your life, like gratitude part. Now you have paid the gratitude. So रोने के बाद भी you feel a little lighter. एक बार लगता है, but then you feel कि yeah, I've done that. I've paid my gratitude. It was due.
Yes, maybe.
Yes. That's nice. और एक exercise भी था ना, which was left for you to do. This was the only one.
Yeah, I did that also. The one I missed the class for the relationship that is broken.
Okay, that also you missed. Yeah?
That one I had missed. That one I had written. I wrote that one also down.
Okay.
At present, I have not felt change in that relationship, but then writing it down.
That if you want to change, if you want to heal that relationship, it has to be a regular affair. You have to write every day. One day writing will not do.
Okay. But then I felt lighter after writing that, I could feel the pain subsiding about the relationship. Yes.
Very nice. Yeah. That should be the feeling. And if you write every day, then, you will see the change. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Vandana. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Vandana.
Hi, Shadade.
Okay. Hi, Divya.
Hi, Divya.
So, आज का chapter is a very sweet chapter, very small and sweet. So, we'll have a lot of time to share today. But very effective. All the chapters are very effective, even if it's small, but very effective. Like it is not leaving any area, जहाँ पे gratitude is lacking, to fill it up. Rinku is not there yet. We can wait because today we'll finish it later. Anyone has anything else to share? Money के area में या किसी और area में where someone is seeing magic happening, unexpected something, the thing, किसी के nature में कुछ changes, खुद में changes. सबसे पहले तो खुद में ही change दिखता है. बाद में तो लोग circumstances बाद में change होते हैं. First change is in you, within you. The perception towards life. Same situation occurring every day, but now your perception has changed. Now maybe जिस बात के लिए पहले छोटी बात पे irritate होते थे, not anymore. Now you think if your children are saying something, your husband is saying something, or any of your relatives, now you give a second thought to it. उनका perception भी आप सोचने की कोशिश करते हो. All these are small changes in us, with every day, every practice we can feel and see that. तो ये किसी ने observe किया है कि अभी तक realize ही नहीं किया? बहुत सारा let go attitude भी आ जाता है. Yes. This is no big deal. Why was I, fussing about it all this while?
I have become chilled out.
So, anyways, you were a little chilled out. Now, all the more chilled
Yeah.
Now a little more.
out. Yes, now.
I was about to say the same thing.
नहीं मैं बाय नेचर वैसे भी चिल्ड आउट हूँ, जो है ठीक है।
पहले अब जो थोड़ा बहुत किसी के लिए अगर कुछ होता था, जैसे थोड़ी सी वरी जो होता था, वो सब भी थोड़ा सा और खत्म होने लगा, सबसाइडिंग और लाइटली
Let go.
यस प्रियंका,
लेट गो करना कर दिया एक्चुअली, लेट गो कर दिया कि कोई फॉरगेट, छोड़ दो, बेटर कुछ भी ना बोलो ना सोचो, बेटर है।
एग्जैक्टली, ऐसे लग रहा है unnecessarily we were holding on to it and we were dragging it for so long, it was not required.
अब तो उस डर से भी हो जाता है ना कि पहले तो फिर वो अगर कुछ बोलेंगे तो देन वी हैव टू थिंक, वी हैव टू राइट 10 थिंग, तो इस बेटर है कुछ बोलो ही मत।
आई नो, और कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है ना, जस्ट वॉक अवे फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन। अगर लग रहा है इट इज लाइक आपका रिएक्शन आएगा या यू आर अनएबल टू टेक इट, जस्ट वॉक अवे फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन, बेटर टू शिफ्ट योरसेल्फ।
नहीं होता तो है, देखिए कई बार निकल भी जाता है मुंह से, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं निकलता, बिकॉज इट्स एक दिन में तो कुछ नहीं होता, इट विल टेक टाइम।
एक दिन में क्यों, कितने मंथ में भी नहीं होता है, ह्यूमन नेचर।
तो वो फिर बोलने के बाद वो बहुत अजीब लगता है कि वो नाउ यू हैव टू राइट 10 थिंग्स।
बट एटलीस्ट ये रियलाइजेशन आने लग गया अब।
Yes,
अब रियलाइजेशन आने लग गया, व्हिच previously your realization नहीं था, and we used to hold on to it and keep complaining, keep reacting, and वो पूरा एक और complicated situation arise हो जाता है।
Day before yesterday, I just scream out on my maid and कमरे में आने के बाद I just wrote down 10 things उसके लिए sorry कर करके।
Very nice, very nice।
हम बोले क्यों बोले, बोल के भी खुद ही को बट वो एक all of a sudden जो निकलता है ना, वो वाला हुआ एक्चुअली।
हाँ, where you don't think, you just react at that time।
वो ऐसा लगता है कि उनका ऊपर वाला फ्लोर ही नहीं है, तब जाके आप टेम्पर लूज करते हैं अपन लोग।
ये तो होता है, बट देन we have to understand their point। अगर उतने इतने एजुकेटेड वगैरह अच्छे होते तो फिर यहाँ क्यों वर्क कर रहे होते एट टाइम।
सीरियसली वो उसी उस पे पॉइंट पे निकल जाता है एक्चुअली खुद का भी गुस्सा।
अगर वो रियलाइज भी होने लग जाए अपने लाइफ में, where we were going wrong, now we should think over it। चेंजेस अपने आप आ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ग्रेजुअली द चेंजेस आर कमिंग।
वंदना,
हाँ,
say something।
क्या बोलो, कोशिश में हूँ पूरी अभी भी।
मुझे फोन पे सुनाती हूँ, यहाँ पे बोलो।
कोशिश में हूँ। I've started ignoring things।
Yes।
Yeah। और जितना कंप्लेन पहले करती थी अब उतना नहीं करती हूँ।
Very good। Then you automatically, all things will turn into magical। Every time, हम लोग का वो thought process ही change हो जाएगा। And gradually it will happen. It will not happen in a day's time. Trust me, not even a month's time। But gradually it will change। But the thing is, we have to keep practicing gratitude। अगर हम लोग 2-3 days में gap दे देंगे ना, we'll just bounce back to our previous life, the way things were going on। It is that delicate at present, because हम लोग अभी इस journey में, we've just started the journey, and the circumstances will change automatically if we keep on and on and on। कितने जन का 6, 7, 8 months, our mentor 4-5 years, अब सब कुछ बहुत magical है। So it will take time। Nothing happened। Rome was not built in a day। So today's chapter again, I think it's 3:10। I don't know whether Rinku will be coming or not। Okay। So
I can read today।
All right, Priyanka. Today is our day 19, and the name of the chapter is Magic Footsteps। Divya is walking magic footsteps। Okay।
दिव्या अनम्यूट करो, तुम छत पे वॉक कर रही हो।
Oh yeah, sorry।
And this
Yeah.
is, this is what the chapter is all about, Divya. वो magic footsteps कैसे magical
Oh
होगा?
yeah. Oh my God, that's a coincidence. I didn't know about this.
Payal, Divya is the one who is finishing the whole आज का homework today सबसे पहले ही.
अभी हो जाएगा. You have to say thank you only. The magic practice will come. It's a very short. Keep on walking, and you can do it
Yeah.
right now.
I told today Priyanka over the phone that I want to walk today. So when the class will start, I'll go to the terrace.
Yeah, actually that's a very nice idea. अपने आप में you are
Walking भी हो जाती है वो 1 घंटा अच्छे से.
और आज तो तुम्हारा चैप्टर एकदम तुम्हारे वॉकिंग पे एकदम बिल्कुल एप्ट है.
Absolutely.
That's pure coincidence. Never.
First thing I saw was Divya has suddenly, out of the house and she's walking in magic footsteps. Okay, so let's start. Day 19, magic footsteps. Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah, magic footsteps.
So here we
100
can
times.
see, we can see the steps and how magical it is. Now, Divya's steps will also become magical the same way.
The weather is nice, so I don't mind. And after lunch, that's the best time you can walk, burn down the calories.
Yeah. Continue, Priyanka.
Yeah. 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depends on the labor of other men, living and dead, and that I must accept myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and am still receiving. Albert Einstein, Nobel Prize winner.
Winning
With
physicist. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is Albert Einstein saying here? 100 times. Now he being a scientist, we all know of kitne bade scientist he has been. So and he himself is saying 100 times I remind myself. Even he needs to remind himself that his inner and outer life depends on the labors of other men, living or dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received. इसका मतलब वो भी अपने आप को 100 times रिमाइंड कराते हैं कि whatever I am inside and outside, it's not only my own effort. इसमें बहुत जन के लेबर हैं, and how can I pay them back? And he has decided that he will pay back to his discoveries and all to the mankind, to everybody. तो हम लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Then he, that great man, is saying he has to remind himself, and 100 times every day he does that. So we stand nowhere. Then only he achieved what he has discovered for the mankind. So what he did, let's read.
With those words, Einstein gave us a gift equal to his scientific discoveries. He gave us one of the magical secrets to his success: gratitude every day.
Yeah. So what is that which he gave? Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Every day, and he used to do it every day till he died. Like 100 times he reminded. आज जैसे हम लोग को खाना मिल रहा है, अंदर के पार्ट्स हैं, how you think that it is happening on its own or it is like us. अगर खाना भी आ रहा है तो इसमें बहुत जन का लेबर है. The air we breathe जो प्लांट से आ रहे हैं उसमें भी बहुत जन के लेबर हैं. अगर नेचुरल भी है या फिर if someone person is growing, then also someone somewhere has contributed to our existence, to our living. It is not कि बस पैसा है तो सब कुछ हो गया. Everything cannot be bought with money, right? So it is like someone's labor. आज कितनों के पास money है, but can you buy the air which you are breathing every day? We can't. So it is through someone's labor, and he wanted to pay back for that. From where this noise is coming, everyone mute yourself except Priyanka. Yeah, continue. I forgot.
Einstein is the inspiration behind today's magical practice, and you are going to follow in his footsteps to bring success in your life. Today, like Einstein, can I read
Yeah.
or?
Yeah, to bring
Okay.
success to your life.
Yeah, to your life. Today, like Einstein, you will say thank you 100 times, and you are going to do it by taking 100 magic footsteps.
Yeah.
Why?
Continue.
While it might seem unbelievable, to you that taking footsteps, you make a difference to your life. You will
Can make a
discover
difference to your life. Yes.
to make a difference to your life, you will discover that it is one of the most powerful things you can do.
या तो ऐसे लग रहा होगा ना कि 100 फुटस्टेप्स लेके थैंक यू बोलने में क्या है, बट यू नो फर्स्ट टाइम इट विल साउंड अ लिटिल फेक, बट इसे द होल बुक इज ऑल अबाउट फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. बट वंस यू स्टार्ट सेइंग थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, यू नो यू कंटिन्यूअसली वो अपने आप फीलिंग आता रहेगा, वो ग्रेटिट्यूड की फीलिंग आती रहेगी. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट सेइंग थैंक यू विद एवरी स्टेप, उसके बाद यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग oh my god, thank you for this air, thank you for this food, thank you for that help in my house, thank you to the person you know who's always with me, thank you to my children, everybody. Then you start feeling that way. But abhi yahan pe the only practice is to say thank you with every step. Yeah.
God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. Have you used one to say thank you? William A. Ward, 1921 to 1994 writer.
Yeah. So one day you can calculate 24 hours, usko fir 60 minutes and then again 60, it comes to 86,400 seconds in a day. So हम लोग ऐसे तो कोई कुछ देता है, so we say thank you. Otherwise, as a gratitude on our own, do we ever say thank you? Do we ever give a thought to it and say thank you? Just reflect on your life and think about it. Have we ever done that? But Albert Einstein used to do every day. Yes.
To take magic footsteps, you take one step and in your mind say the magic words thank you. As your foot touches the ground, and then again say thank you. As your other foot touches the ground, one foot thank you, next foot thank you, and continue saying the magic words with every footsteps. The best thing about magic footstep is that you can take any number of magic footsteps anywhere and at any time. Though your house, through your house, from one room to another, walking to get your lunch or coffee, taking the trash out, walking to a business meeting, or your way to catch a cab, train, or bus. You can take magic footsteps on your way to anything that is important to you, like exams, a date, a job interview, an audition, to meet a client, to the bank, ATM, dentist, doctor, hairdresser, to see your team play in sports game, down corridors, through airport terminal, in parks, or one block to another.
Yeah, so these magical footsteps can be taken anywhere and we can say, पहले हम लोग के टाइम में नहीं थे, देखो आप लोग किसी पंडित जी वगैरह को देखते थे नहा के आए, they used to walk no from the river के साइड में अगर नहा के, they always used to say Ram 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 or any other god's name, you know, that was their way of paying gratitude. वो हम लोग को ये नहीं लग रहा भगवान का नाम ले रहे हैं, but that was actually paying gratitude. This is from because American writer has written, so we're like thank you, thank you, thank you God, thank you, thank you. So whenever you are walking, अगर कोई short distance भी है, if quarantine time at home, then also you know it will only take hardly 2 minutes, 1.5, 2 or 2 to 3 minutes for this 100 steps. And we can always, but there should not be any break. We can always say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. और कितनी बार क्या होता है कोई important काम करने भी जा रहे हैं होते हैं, जैसे from car to the place of meeting or to the place, any place where you are going to a dentist or a doctor. तो उस समय भी अगर हम लोग थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, फिर इफ यू हैव 2 to 3 minutes, तो वो भी हो सकता है मैजिकल हो जाए. You never know, you know, that effective this magical footsteps. Yeah.
I take magic footsteps around my house, from my bed to my bathroom, kitchen to my bedroom, and outside to my car and the mailbox. Wherever I walk down a street or a walk anywhere, I choose a point as my destination and I put gratitude in my footsteps all the way. If you take notice of how you are feeling before you then you will notice
before you begin,
then you will notice a big difference in how you will how feel after you are taken magic footsteps. It doesn't matter if you cannot get much of a feeling of gratitude while you are taking them. I promise you will still feel happier afterwards. If you are feeling down, magic footsteps will make you feel better. And even if you are feeling great, magic footsteps will lift your spirit even higher.
Spirits even higher, yes. So एक बार करके देखो क्या होता है. When we start ऐसे लग रहा है ना thank you thank you thank you में क्या होगा, लेकिन by the time you keep on saying, you know, before and after की feeling में बहुत difference आएगा. Right now Divya can, you know, you can start saying thank you thank you thank you and later
I am chanting.
yes.
I didn't know this is a chapter. It's giving me more insight now.
Absolutely. So, you know, by the end of it, you say, yes, you know, I've achieved something. तो वो feeling, वो spirit से अलग ही high होंगे. जैसे हम लोग भगवान का नाम भी थोड़ी देर वो 108 माला करने के बाद लगता है ना, एक तो feeling of gratitude, you know, लग रहा है everything will be taken care of. You know, that's how the feeling will be after this 100 steps, and we must do it every day. Yeah, continue.
To take the most effective magic footsteps, take a magic footsteps for about 90 seconds. This is how long it will take the average person to take 100 steps at a leisure pace.
Leisurely pace. Yeah.
Leisurely pace. This practice is not about taking 100 steps exactly, but taking at least that number of steps, because it will probably take that number of footsteps to make a difference on the way you feel. Once you are clear on the approximate distance, you can take your 100 steps of gratitude anytime during the day. Don't count the footsteps when you are doing the practice, because you will be counting instead of saying thank you, the magic words with each step.
Yeah, so we won't count like 1, thank you, 2, thank you, 3, thank you. This way we will not count. We will just continue with our thank you, thank you, thank you. We count only the thank yous. You know, वो होना चाहिए, approximate कर लो. It will take 2 minutes. You know, 2 minutes to do 100 steps if you are walking. तो यहाँ 90 seconds बोल रहे हैं, या अपना अपना सब calculate कर लो, but it should be like 100 thank yous. Yeah.
When you have completed today's magical practice, you will have said the magic words thank you 100 times. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? And Einstein did it every day.
Yeah. So just will think about it. हम लोग कितने बार बोले हैं 100 times एक दिन में thank you नहीं बोले.
खत्म नहीं हो गया chapter.
Say it every day. You know, this was his like कि वो उनको करना ही करना है. That's why he has achieved, you know, what he has.
Magic practice number 19. बहुत ही छोटा chapter था आज तो ये. Magic footsteps. Count your blessings. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are gratitude. Rewrite your list. Why you are grateful. Rewrite your list, and at the end of each blessing says thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Number 2, take 100 magic footsteps for about 90 seconds in gratitude anytime during the day. Number 3, with each footstep, say and feel the magic word, thank you. Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे they are saying take 100. Now they are saying the minimum इतना तो लेना ही है 100, but there should not be any gap in the sense ये नहीं है कि अभी 30 ले लिया फिर एक काम कर लिया या कोई phone call आ गया phone attend कर लिया, then again you are going another 50 or another 30. It should be like a continuous. It should be in continuous. You know, continuously 100 minimum लेना है, and then you again and again. अगर आप 1 घंटा जैसे they were saying she's walking for 1 hour, so how many times, you know, she can do it? Or maybe 100 के बाद your gap, and then you can do it again and again. So उसके बाद हम लोग का feeling ही different होगा. So it's a very sweet and nice chapter, but very effective. इसका before and after
बहुत ही छोटा chapter था.
So before and after का feeling is only will be different. After like हम लोग जो 108 माला नहीं जपते राम 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 या whatever you say, तो वैसे ही है 100 steps. So minimum, this is saying 100 minimum, but without a gap or a break. And उसके बाद उस समय भी when you are saying just not say thank you और किसी को greet कर रहे हो, कुछ और सोच रहे हो, try to be as grateful with feeling. Grateful for, उस समय सोच सकते हैं किस चीज के लिए हम लोग grateful हैं. So many things around us I can be grateful for. आज ही मैंने एक send किया था ना, there's so many umpteen things we can be grateful for. अगर सोचने बैठो तो बहुत कुछ है. एक किचन में जाओगे तो 100 तो वहीं मिल जाएगा. That's how many things we can be grateful. So very nice chapter, very effective start. एक तरह से walk भी हो जाएगा. Let's make it happen. कि इतना मुझे 100 footsteps करना है तो once you start walking फिर एक बार लगेगा चलो और walk कर लेते हैं और walk कर लेते हैं. So in a way it will be nice for us also, for our health also. It's very easy practice, and it's not time consuming also. I'm sure everyone can take out 1.5 to 2 minutes every day for this practice. घर पे ही हो जाता है इतना, बट कंटिन्यूअस करना है. दिव्या का तो अभी हो जाएगा.
क्या हो गया? I finished this.
सब प्रैक्टिस फर्स्ट टाइम में पहली बार हो जाएगा.
I did everything today. I did the check, I did the writing, everything I finished from.
Wow.
I woke up early today. So.
Oh wow, you woke up early. That's also an achievement for Divya. Yay.
Yeah, I woke up at 7:30 today. But I slept late yesterday. I slept at 1:30 probably.
Okay, gradually that will also change.
Someone were over, actually my cousins were over, so lady ho gaya.
That's okay. अगर if you walk and all you get tired ना, automatically रात को जल्दी नींद आ जाएगी. It will happen. You get up early, automatically you'll fall asleep.
Mm-hmm. I want to start my morning walks so that it's easier to get up also.
Absolutely. Very good. और आज का प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो कोई क्वेश्चन कुछ है ही नहीं. I think it is very very clear.
Yeah.
Just remember, no gap in between. किसी से कोई बात करने लग गए कि कोई कुछ पूछ लिया, so make it a point कि when you are doing this exercise, like there is no disturbance. Continuously working. Any question, Madhuri, Pratna? No. आज हम लोग वही कॉफी मीट आज कर सकते थे because we had ample time.
Yeah.
I think tomorrow chapter is also, it's about heart magic. वो भी छोटा है. So tomorrow we all can sit with a mug of coffee or tea, whoever likes to eat whatever, drink whatever, and then we can sit and chit chat and थोड़ा सा music on कर लेंगे. It will be nice.
Yeah, Sunday है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We can spend Sunday afternoon with like the सबके साथ coffee पे.
Tete with coffee in my hand. You can do that.
Yep.
और थोड़ा और share कर सकते हैं. कहीं का किसी का कोई story, किसी की कुछ भी share कर सकते हैं. Let's talk about the things which one like to do. The mood shifters I was talking about. Happy moment कब होता है? The most happiest moment. You have to unmute, Shraddha.
When I have ice cream.
That's the happiest moment. That I know. Ice cream के नाम से श्रद्धा का तो what first thing is let's go for ice cream. और सबका जैसे मेरे लिए music. If
I also like music.
Any
like
mood,
music.
just put on the music. Tension हो रहा है, put on the music.
अभी करंट फेवरेट मेरा लूडो है. मैं ऑनलाइन लूडो खेलती हूँ.
हम लोग का वो फेज आया था.
मेरा फेज था पहले फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ खेलते थे. अब तो मैं ऑनलाइन जो मिले उसके साथ खेल लेती हूँ.
But it's a Chinese app, no? It's been banned, no? The Ludo King and all.
Ludo King, no. I play Ludo Star too.
Okay, Ludo Star.
Yeah.
ये तो सारे वर्ल्ड की जितने भी
हाँ, कोई पाकिस्तान से हो या ओमान से हो, कहीं से.
मेरा भी एक फेज था. We then started Code Words also. But जब
से Code Words also is a very nice game.
Book में आए तब से all forgotten all the game now. So music is my happiest moment. Like I put on the music, I forget everything.
Me too. Music.
Music. किसी का dance also, at times.
Dance also.
try this at home. You know, loving yourself is the most important thing. Mirror के सामने, mirror work, the book is also there. It says, mirror के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, music on करो, room बंद करो if you're shy, and dance the way you want to dance. You don't have to be conscious. कोई देख रहा है, नहीं देख रहा है, आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है. Let it go. Just let it go and dance the way. उसके बाद अपना वो spirit देखना and the feeling देखना.
I do it quite often.
हाँ, you तो ऐसे भी enjoy music and dance. But do it at home and
रहता है
don't
कोई
give
लोग
time to ourselves.
don't care.
Don't care about anything.
हाँ, I don't care.
For yourself.
डांस ही तो कर रहे हैं यार, कोई खराब चीज थोड़ी करेगी, कोई देख रहा है.
Some are like introvert and shy, ना, और लगता है dance नहीं आता है. But forget
Actually,
about it.
we are missing that dancing in a group of people going in a discotheque or something. हाँ, badly. तो वो atmosphere करके.
Seriously, Divya.
Yeah.
So उसमें भी कितने जन conscious होते हैं, who people who are not like party type, you know, अपने आप अकेले mirror में देखो and dance the way like no one is watching you. You are only there for yourself. You are dancing. You know, do that, try that.
हम लोग तो party lovers हैं.
हाँ. Missing
Like
it.
And your Madhuri happiest moment
Yeah,
when
seriously.
you're happy.
Yoga. When I do.
Yoga.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yoga. Okay, wow. You are a yoga instructor.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
very
And Payal, I want to share everybody also कि मेरा एक ड्रीम था, अभी हम लोग की जो पूजा चल रही हो रही वाली थी ना, कि I just wrote कि सब अच्छे से हो जाए and everything, and it went everything very nicely. My father-in-law is very happy.
Wow. That's
हम लोग, me and my husband sat in पूजा ना, गृह प्रवेश की पूजा.
all right.
Yeah.
So it went off very well, and you wrote this in your dream.
Yeah,
Dream
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Wow.
that was not in my 10th priority. I wrote it like that, but it got fulfilled. अब मैंने उसमें tick कर दिया.
हाँ. Now you can write another one. हाँ.
Yeah.
Tick
Yeah.
कर दो.
Yeah.
And you add another dream of yours there.
हाँ हाँ, वो तो top 10 तो मेरा अलग ही था, which I sent you. ये अलग से मैंने और भी लिखा था ना,
Okay.
तो उसमें ये था कि I wanted to see कि अभी recent होने वाला था पूजा in you, कि सब हो जाए, periods over हो जाए,
हाँ.
वो मेरा main issue था.
And everything was, you know, everything
Yeah,
fell into
very
place. Actually.
smoothly. Everything went very smoothly. I could have joined the session also.
I know, commendable.
Yeah, like just 3 o'clock he finished one. I just ran and came here and joined the session on that day.
Wonderful, Madhuri, wonderful.
Thank you.
अगर शिद्दत से कुछ चाहो तो जरूर मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
You really wanted thing to go well.
Thank you, Payal, for your magic session.
Thank you, dear, for coming. It was your call. Thank you to Rhonda Byrne and the book Magic.
Yeah.
Very grateful to the book. Nice, Madhuri. Good sharing. Anybody? Anything else? You know, सब छोटे-छोटे magic भी दिखते तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you.
English बढ़ जाता है. Yeah, you saying something, Madhuri? You have to unmute yourself, हाँ.
Yeah. Yesterday session still I have not done it. मेरे को इसमें पूछना था कि like जो to do list था ना, वो क्या मतलब उसको मतलब क्या चीज का वो बना, मतलब वो करना है कि मतलब I have lost one thing, so I can try for that, I can write for that.
हाँ, मतलब उसको ढूंढना है. You want to
हाँ.
find that thing, क्या? So magical
हाँ.
to-do list में you try लिखो and you visualize as if you have found that. Maybe a
अच्छा.
document, maybe a piece of jewelry, whatever it is.
Achha, actually it is not, one of is mine only and one is my son.
Okay.
Son. So I can visualize for him also.
Yeah. Visualize that your son has come with the thing or you have found his thing, you know, that way.
Okay. But अच्छा, but I know it is lost actually. तो मैं लिखूं क्या?
Likhu, you're grateful for you have found it.
Okay.
Grateful for the thing that you have found it. Yeah. और भी जैसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है जो लाइफ में अभी चल रहे हैं, यू वांट इट टू बी रिजॉल्व्ड, नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, सो यू राइट ऑन योर टू डू लिस्ट एंड इमेजिन दैट इट इज गेटिंग रिजॉल्व्ड. यू नो, डे टू डे एक्टिविटी में कुछ करना है व्हिच यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग, यू हैव बीन पोस्टपोनिंग इट, दैट आल्सो यू कैन राइट. अगर लिख लेते हैं तो वो काम हो ही जाता है. You have to make certain calls to some people.
या
वो भी आप लिख सकते हो.
अरे सबसे अच्छा है मॉर्निंग जल्दी उठने से सब काम तो फटाफट हो जाता है.
Absolutely, I तो agree. By 8 लगता है so many of my work has been done.
हाँ.
Actually, it makes a difference.
It does. ये बहुत बड़ा लगता है और लगता है now I have plenty of time for myself and for other work also. So it does make a lot of. और अगर हम उठते ही 8-9 बजे हैं तो हाफ डे तो लग रहा है गॉन.
अरे तब तो लगता था कि काम खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स अनलिमिटेड.
इसी फायदे जल्दी उठने के. राइट. तो प्रियंका has started है ना. प्रियंका is ऐसे भी she gets up early only, no? Divya.
I get up 6:37.
Fine.
लॉकडाउन में पूरी रूटीन बैंड बजा दी. रात को देरी से सोना, सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठना. अब थोड़ा ट्राई कर रही हूँ वापस
No, I know
नॉर्मल.
this quarantine will be to get prolonged कितना होते जाएगा. So we need to set our own time. और थोड़ा सा जैसे ल्यूक भी बोलते हैं. I don't know how many of you follow Luke Hichino. He's like self discipline is very very important. लाइफ में हम लोग कहीं लैक करते हैं in everything is because of self discipline. हम लोग बच्चों को जितना डिसिप्लिन करते हैं अपना डिसिप्लिन देखो. पहले खुद डिसिप्लिन हो जाते
My
हैं.
whole house gets up early.
हाँ, that too you
So
told.
I have to get up early. I have no choice actually. Yeah. So no choice.
But that is good.
But it's good in a way. I finished my work, my exercise in the mornings, the whole day then I'm free. No, वो problem नहीं होती फिर कि अपने लिए time मिल जाता है सुबह.
हाँ, फिर वो पता नहीं वो एक्सरसाइज ही कट डाउन होता है.
नहीं यार और कुछ नहीं तो वही होता है
सबसे
कि
पहले एक्सरसाइज ही कट डाउन होता है कि घर का काम
नहीं कट डाउन होता है. So
That's
that's
true.
your me time.
अरे I do yoga also. I can do walking also. If you wake up early.
Right. तो कितना हम लोग यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं.
The park near me is like this. Elite Park hadn't opened yet, so Victoria has opened. So we were thinking, okay, let's start walking at least Victoria में. नहीं तो सुबह सुबह भी weather भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Absolutely, winter is the best time.
Yeah.
विंटर में एक बार उठने में लगता है, but then once you are out of bed और बाहर एक बार चले जाओ then.
But Calcutta में there is no winter. Calcutta has no winter actually.
Yes, it is pleasant outside. Summers में तो you don't feel like.
Mumbai to know what is winter. There's no winter at all in Mumbai.
I know.
Hot. You don't need a winter wear.
तो हम लोग के लिए तो और भी.
यहाँ तो अच्छी ठंड है. यहाँ तो it's good.
दिल्ली तो
My son will be spending the next winters in Mumbai hopefully, but God knows when he'll go.
But I am also near Kolhapur. Here also no winter, but Bangalore में तो अच्छी ठंड पड़ रही है अभी.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Very cold there. It's actually drizzling there.
But it was nice today morning. It was nice, chill.
हाँ, कोलकाता में इतना प्लेजेंट है. ऐसा मुंबई की तरह भी नहीं है कि there is no winter. एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ा तो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, नाइस.
एंड दिल्ली में तो कितना होगा अभी वरना टेम्परेचर 10-11 हो गया.
अच्छी ठंड
नहीं उतना भी नहीं हुआ है. बोल रहे हैं
दिल्ली अभी इतना नहीं हुआ है. हाँ नेक्स्ट
दिल्ली में रेन भी हो रहा है ना, बारिश भी.
Mumbai also it's raining.
It's not raining. Prediction है आज sun थोड़ा कम है. It's not that sunny today. But ठीक है.
Today you're not wearing your sweatshirt, Vandana?
मैं अंदर वो थर्मल पहन रखी हूँ ना.
Oh my God.
My God, distant dream है. कैलकाटा में तो कभी मौका नहीं मिलने वाला है पहनने का. बचपन में पहनते थे.
हम कैलकाटा में भी कभी नहीं पहने. And not any outside Calcutta also wear a thermal in my life.
Oh my.
Not even in school days also.
कोलकाता वगैरह में तो you don't need.
बच्चे लोग को तो पहनाते ही थे.
When they are very small, maybe then.
Yeah.
Then right.
मुंबई में तो प्रार्थना कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती.
What are thermals?
For traveling purpose, that's all.
So people in Mumbai, they yearn for winters. कहीं लगता है बाहर hill station जाओ.
So we have closed nearby hill stations where we go, to have that winter enjoyment.
Oh, Lonavala and there, no?
Yeah, Lonavala is little cold. Mahabaleshwar, we go to
Mahabaleshwar.
those places. Yes.
Khandala.
Khandala. Khandala is fun and rainy actually. More of monsoon place. Lonavala, Khandala both. Yeah.
कलकत्ता के आसपास तो कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा कि
Exactly,
कहीं जा
ऐसे
सके.
छोटे-छोटे getaways होने चाहिए ना, weekend पे जाके आ जाओ.
है ना, दार्जिलिंग जाओ.
Yeah.
जो है ना बहुत
Oh
बंगाली
please,
टाइप.
yeah.
Behave yourself.
What behave? अरे बंगाली है तो है.
ऐसे बंगाल में रहेगी तो बंगाली नहीं मिलेंगे और कौन सा
अब तो भी
मिलेगा.
आप बंगाली हो गए हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
हाँ तो ठीक है.
That is okay, but सबका अपना weather का enjoyment है. I think we should traveling. I think I enjoy traveling. You know?
During
I love
this
traveling.
time, like November, December, Rajasthan is the best.
Best. Wow, I love Rajasthan.
Jaipur is the best place for the food, for the weather.
Very good.
You must be knowing Lodha, no? Shweta Lodha.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
I'm from Jaipur. Yeah, I'm from Jaipur. I know
I
Shweta
went to
good,
Shweta
very
Lodha's
well.
house last year for 2 days. I mean, 1 day. I went to Rajasthan, to my native place. I wanted to go, so via Jaipur I went. My flight was from Bangalore to Jaipur. During November I went. The weather was very nice.
Wow.
But
हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं तुम जब आओगी प्याज की कचौड़ी लेके आना वहाँ का.
हाँ.
वो मेरे को बहुत बोली थी, पर हम लोग घर पे खाते नहीं थे, प्याज की कचौड़ी नहीं खाते हैं.
वो इतना बड़ा वाला.
हाँ.
He gave me very nice sweets और इतने सारे stuffs वो मेरे साथ भेजी ना.
So nice. Now we should have friends all over.
So Payal, you and Shweta were together in the school.
Yeah.
All from MB.
You guys were in school together.
Yes.
Okay.
Shweta,
world is small.
Ludha.
All of them. इसीलिए हम लोग उसको अभी भी जैन बोलते हैं, लूढ़ा बोलते हैं. After marriage का तो we forgot only.
उसका डड्डा है.
डड्ढा डड्ढा
डाढ़ा ढाढ़ा.
Yeah,
हाँ, डड्ढा या
डड्ढा.
डाढ़ा.
डड्ढा. हाँ.
डड्डा.
उसको लूढ़ा
डड्डा.
ही बोलते हैं.
Okay.
When she was here, we all went to Ganga Kuchir, I think. Yeah, Raichak, we all went. No. One of my friends का villa था वहाँ पे, so एकता का, so we all stayed there. Madhuri was also there that time.
Yeah. I met all of you after 17, 18 years, right?
My God.
Yeah.
That was fun. Even
It
Lodha
was.
had come from Jaipur for this meet only. Even she came all the way from Jaipur for that meet only.
Not from
So
Jaipur.
last year it was that,
Dubai.
na?
Payal, she came from Dubai.
Okay, she came from Dubai. Just imagine.
Yeah.
Meet में आना ही है.
Me and Mrinal came from Bangalore.
हाँ. It was
I
a
came
good-
only for this only.
What fun we had. But it was nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Whole night we didn't slept also.
We did not. तो ऐसा कुछ मीट होना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ. आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल एंजॉय आवर लाइफ. हम लोग अपने हमेशा स्टकअप ही रह जाते हैं कि ये तो होएगा ही नहीं, ये तो होगा नहीं. लेट्स लिव एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. लेट्स मेक इट मेमोरेबल.
And Payal,
क्या?
मृणाल ने मुझे बताया ही नहीं कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम सेटअप हुआ है. मृणाल ने कॉल किया मेरे हस्बैंड को सीधा.
ओह,
ऐसा है and you have to make the tickets for her.
okay. How nice, na? This year also we had planned to go out, but then lockdown ho gaya. It's okay, next year. We all will start manifesting. We all have started rather. और सब बताओ किसको क्या? I'm very happy when I'm with my friends. I can go on and on and on and on.
हम लोग भी.
Yes.
घर वालों को भूल जा.
I'm not from Calcutta.
Okay.
I'm not from Calcutta, so मेरा तो यहाँ खाली friend circle ही है.
Oh, okay. So you're basically from Jaipur?
I'm from Jaipur, yes. Got married in Calcutta and I have abundant of friends and I'm lucky All my friends are so good, so close to me.
Look at this.
She is one of my bestie in the group actually.
हाँ,
तभी तो कॉलर ऊपर कर दी नहीं भी तो क्या हुआ
हाँ
एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स
नहीं नहीं कॉलर ऊपर ही है रब यप
that's nice.
so good.
So you must be missing Jaipur, you know, once in a year to सब जाते
she
हैं.
goes a lot of times so it's okay
Oh,
Yeah,
अभी 1.5 महीना रह के आई है लॉकडाउन
I
में
go. I was away for 4 months from Calcutta this time.
my God.
No, actually, I run a
Lockdown.
multi-designer store in Jaipur. So for that work, I used to frequently travel Jaipur. मतलब every month, 2 months में हो ही जाता है for 10 days, 7 days.
Okay.
और वैसे winter तो every winter I'm in Jaipur actually.
Oh, that's
December.
nice. So holiday time.
So yeah, because kids have a holiday and most of the time we had a functions or a wedding in the house during December time. So this time there is no wedding because of the pandemic. So I'm here in Calcutta.
That's okay. As Divya said, you have already visited for.
you already had your share of पूरा हॉलिडे एक कसर
Yep.
निकल गया तुम्हारा 4 महीना किसको बोलते हैं यार हम लोग 4 दिन जाने के लिए तरस रहे तुम 4 महीना रह के आई हो कंसिडर योरसेल्फ वेरी वेरी लकी
I know she
और
can be
कुछ
glad
No,
about
no, no.
it.
Thank you.
हाँ थैंक यू
No, I'm lucky. Thank you. Thank you.
प्रार्थना का तो मुंबई में ही है ना, your peer?
I have great time with my sisters. I'm lucky to have them.
Yeah, that I hear from Vandana. You people, all sisters, you know, you all travel together, no?
Yes.
हमेशा. That's very nice. ना bonding और अच्छा हो जाता है travel करने से.
Very much.
That's nice. और बताओ, वंदना भी तो आती है in summers to कोलकाता.
इस बार नहीं हुआ
Not this year, but otherwise she comes.
yeah
This time she
next year yeah next year I'll come again
Here,
who all are sisters Vandana Shraddha
Vandana and
Yeah.
Shraddha, yeah.
okay own
Their own
sisters
sisters. Yeah,
Yeah.
their own sisters.
oh
I'm the
nice
elder one. She's the younger one.
Shraddha, you stay in Calcutta.
Yeah, I stay in Calcutta.
He
She's
stay in
married in Delhi.
Delhi, okay.
even my cousin yesterday night she came from Delhi only she also stays in Delhi we are not own sisters but we are like own sisters that way
Okay. And Pratna's friend Vandana is a very good friend of mine and Shraddha. So that's how we know Pratna. They are
Yeah.
sisters. But she's in Mumbai and Vandana is in Kolkata.
okay
So सब जगह से हैं. How nice now we are connected through this Zoom
Right.
meeting, this book reading session. एक बार सोचने लगे तो everything so magical, you know, coincidence बोलते हैं होता नहीं है कुछ भी. Everything has
कल
been
मुझे
created.
money भी बहुत मिला.
कल मनी भी बहुत मिला. Wow, you did not share that? अकेले
शेयर करती हूँ, ठीक है.
check amount yeah
मैंने अभी तक
Check
count नहीं
amount
किया,
आ
पर जो
गया
मिल रहा
आपका?
था ऊपर लाके ऐसे हाथ करके बैग में ही डाल रही थी.
So you're still there only. You haven't come back yet to Bangalore.
Yeah, I'm still there only ना.
Oh, okay.
कल तो पूजा ओवर हुई है ना. I told you ना 2 days I will be busy.
Okay.
ग्रह प्रवेश था. And even I paid gratitude to my niece also. I sat for 6 hours down on the floor.
Okay. So earlier you never could?
हाँ,
इतना लंबा time के लिए you could never sit for long?
नहीं, मैंने जब मेरे योगा के सेशंस थे ना, तब मैं सिट करती थी फॉर फुल डे. लाइक हम लोग 1 वीक का जो मेरा था कोर्स उस टाइम पे.
Okay.
और अभी मतलब 8 hours I was just वो 5 hours with the sitting. यज्ञ
my
चल.
god that's a lot yeah
अरे बीच बीच में तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं, आखिर तो कितना. पर बार बार थैंक यू कर रही थी कि बचा के रखे. बिकॉज हम लोग दोनों ही पूजा में बैठे थे ना, तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है बार बार नी को इधर उधर करना. और साड़ी पहना हुआ था तो और
That's nice. See, you paid gratitude and health को लेकर.
yeah, I mean, एक बार तो लग रहा था मतलब नहीं, I mean, I was positive हो जाएगा, पर थोड़ा तो वो लगता है ना. और एकदम अग्नि के आगे वो बैठना for 4 hours. And my father-in-law ना, उनको पूरा मंत्र सब करवाते हैं वो सब.
So everything went magical. Everything went.
Yeah, that's what ना मैंने अपनी dream list में सब लिखा था. Everything should be smooth. Everything should go well.
Everything went off the way you wanted. Yeah. So nice. So we can see the happiness on your face only.
Thank you.
So happy for you. चलो, और किसी का कोई sharing anything else? सबको अपना happy moments याद करे life में and feel good about it. See, कितनी बार gratitude start करते हैं ना, तो all of a sudden तो वो नहीं आता है ना, I'm so grateful, ऐसे obviously नहीं आता है. So at that time what we can do is we can think about our best moment in our life. वो उस time पे I was very happy, maybe when you got the prize, maybe when your child was born, and maybe उसको किसी का birthday party. We can think of those moments. तो वो क्या होता है, वो create हो जाता है, and at that time you can be really grateful. You can use this tool. जब वो ऐसे ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बोलेंगे अब रूम में बैठते हैं चलो ग्रेटिट्यूड देते हैं, तो वो फीलिंग ही नहीं आती है.
Right.
We can always think of our happiest moment in our life, and then वो अपने आप आता है. This is how we create. So magical footsteps दिव्या का तो डन है. 1 2 days.
I'm finding it also very nice that actually every day wherever we are doing the class, I don't mind coming in the terrace, viewing the all over scenery and all. It's looking so nice. I'm feeling so peaceful.
See? Yes.
Do you stay in Divya?
Lower Howden Street.
Okay.
You know JD Birla College?
I know.
Yeah, the same lane.
Yeah, Lower Howden Street, I know.
जो लेन हर वक्त रेन से भर जाती है.
I know, waterlogged. Totally waterlogged.
Seriously.
वाटरलॉग नहीं, सुसु भी कोई कर दे तो भी वो गली भर जाती है.
Actually, पर छोटे थे तो बच्चे लोग को तो वेट होता था कि कब पानी भरेगा, कब रिक्शा राइड लेंगे हम लोग.
वो दिव्या की गली को यही बोला जाता है एक्चुअली. जब बारिश होता है बीबी तो भी बोलते कि पानी भर गया नहीं भरा. मतलब दिव्या की गली में अगर पानी भरा है तो कलकत्ता में वाटर लॉगिंग हुआ है.
नहीं एक्चुअली बहुत जल्दी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है इस गली में.
नहीं, ऐसे भी कलकत्ता में वाटर लॉगिंग बहुत जल्दी होता भी है ना.
अभी तो इतना नहीं हो रहा है प्लेट.
अच्छा,
पहले से काफी
अब तो बहुत काफी बेटर हो.
पहले से बेटर है, पर जनरली साल में 2-3 बार हो ही जाता है. वो तो रहता ही है.
area in Juhu is
छुट्टी होती है स्कूल की
waterlogging.
या रिक्शा में स्कूल जाते हैं.
My area in Mumbai is famous for waterlogging.
Where do you stay in Mumbai?
Juhu, just 2 buildings away from Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh wow!
Bungalow outside.
लिखा है.
हाँ, तो अमिताभ बच्चन के बंगलों के बाहर भी पूरा waterlogging होता है during heavy rainfall.
Oh,
like good amount of rain.
So how many glimpses have you caught of him?
I'm not much fan of his, so I don't go out and see him actually.
Okay.
Oh my God! At least हम लोग के लिए selfie click करके post कर दो group में.
जो मुंबई में रहते हैं उनके लिए actually they take it very lightly. Daily affair लगता है उन लोगों को. No big deal.
हाँ.
So he's got 3 bungalows, 4 bungalows rather in the same area. So he doesn't stay next to my building. He stays on the other side, matlab in the Juhu locality only, but like 5 minutes walking. Okay. He used to stay here when his mother was alive.
Okay.
But all the parties is done in this bungalow because this bungalow has got a biggest garden.
Okay.
So all the granddaughters' birthday, even Abhishek Bachchan's wedding was done in this bungalow.
Okay.
वो तो देखी थी.
वो देखे थे नहीं देखे थे आप?
वो भी नहीं देखी.
Seriously? हम लोग कलकत्ते वाले होते तो हम लोग तो ऊपर ही खड़े रहते देखने के लिए क्या हुआ.
पता चलता वहाँ हटते भी नहीं वहाँ से, बायनोकुलर लगा के रहते.
I know.
So whenever there's a party, most of the cars is parked around all the road. You know, पूरा गली jam हो जाता है हमारा, क्योंकि जितनी भी celebrities आते हैं सबकी पार्किंग इधर ही होती है, मतलब मेरे रोड पे ही होती है. तो उसकी जब वेडिंग थी तब तो पूरी गली जैम हो गई थी.
फिर भी तुमने नहीं देखा?
राधा she must have complained कि क्या पूरा जैम हो गया.
हाँ, पूरा मेरा रास्ता जैम कर दिया.
And even you can't go to the house because you can't remove your car.
It's okay. Let his car park first. Actually, let him enjoy.
He enjoyed. Good advantage, you know.
My father was in the film line.
इसमें तो शाहरुख खान भी आया होगा.
हाँ, शाहरुख खान.
So my father was in the film line earlier.
अमिताभ के.
Huh? So my father was in the film line earlier. So whenever he used to go to Bombay, so we used to make, you know, बहानास कि पापा इस टाइम हम लोग को ले जाओ क्योंकि रानाबाड़ी है उधर, हम लोग नानी पास रह जाएंगे, हम लोग को कोई तो शूटिंग देखने मिलेगा. So I've been 2-3 times with him. I've seen खेल का shooting. I've seen Salman Khan and Sridevi का shooting. तो हम लोग का QSQT वो प्रीमियर हुआ था, तो आमिर खान had come to our place in Calcutta.
Okay.
Wow, nice.
And मेरे स्कूल में सबको मालूम पड़ गया था कि दिव्या के घर में आमिर खान आ रहा है. So and like there was a gate crash in my house. There was a gate crash. मतलब आमिर खान को हम लोग 5-6 बच्चे लोग के साथ मेरी बड़ी मम्मी के रूम में बंद कर दिया कि नीचे उतरना ही नहीं है. मतलब जब निकल जाएंगे घर से तब नीचे आएगा तब प्रेमियर पार्टी होगा.
God, actually आमिर खान हम लोग के टाइम में तो मतलब heartthrob.
So I was 10 years old that time. I was 10 years old that time. जब आमिर खान आया था. बहुत बचपन में बहुत देखा हुआ फिल्म स्टार्स को. घर पे बहुत आए हुए. सनी देओल, नीलम, धर्मेंद्र, बहुत जन आए हुए.
Nice.
तो प्रार्थना तुम तो फिर क्या है बताओ, तुमको जू में रहते हुए भी तुम अमिताभ को इतना वो नहीं
अमिताभ को पता ही नहीं.
In fact, Konkona Sen Sharma, she was my batchmate. तो उसकी मम्मी, she was working with my in my one of my movies also. मतलब पापा का प्रोडक्शन लाइन था, तो हम लोग के घर में ही शूटिंग हुआ था उसका.
वो तो सैटरडे क्लब में ऐसे ही दिख जाते, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अमिताभ को इज लाइक यू नो कौन नहीं देखना चाहेगा बताओ.
अब वो प्रियंका एवरी सेशन मतलब प्रार्थना प्रियंका विल बी हैप्पी, तुम अमिताभ के बारे में किसको नहीं देख.
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जब मुंबई गई थी लाइक मेरी मौसी सास वहां रहती हैं, उनके बेटे को मैंने कहा भैया मुझे अमिताभ बच्चन का बंगलो देखना है. बोले क्या भाभी आप मुझे क्या इतना दूर घुमाएंगे अमिताभ बच्चन का बंगलो देखने. मैं कहा प्लीज दिखा दो.
Next time any of you want to see Amitabh Bachchan, just give me a call. Every Sunday he comes out of the house. Every Sunday he comes out of the house.
Every Sunday he has a place where he stands and waves at you.
Yeah.
प्रार्थना
काम है. वीडियो कॉल कर लेना आप लोग सबको, हम लोग भी हाथ वेव कर देंगे.
हाँ, कल का एटलीस्ट होमवर्क ही तुम्हारा ये कि ना तुम अमिताभ जब आएगा तो ग्रुप में डाल के वीडियो कॉल करोगी.
Pandemic period
हम लोग तुम्हारा
करो मैजिक फुटस्टेप्स टेरेस पे करो और
हाँ
हम लोग तुम्हारी तरफ से जितना ग्रैटिट्यूड है, जितना थैंक यू वी विल डू इट.
प्रार्थना के लिए.
Pandemic, Amitabh Bachchan is not coming out of the house.
You should send at least उसको WhatsApp मैसेज ही भेज दो कि मेरी फ्रेंड्स लोग तुमको देखना चाहती हैं, देखो इतना पास नहीं है तुम्हारे. बताओ तुम.
मुझे अभिषेक बच्चन से मिलना है. अमिताभ तो अंकल हो गया बेचारा.
हमको तो AB से मिलना है, जूनियर से सीनियर से किसी से भी मिलके. इतनी खुशी तो हमको. I तो told my husband, हम बोले एक बार उसको मिलके ऐसे हक करना है कि बोलो कि तुम तो ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे हमको भी हक है, तुम्हारे को वो हक नहीं मिलेगा जो अमिताभ को मिलेगा. देखो प्रार्थना, अब तो भाई तुम्हारा ये